This is Maggie from Omnivore's cookbook. Today I want to share a delicious way to cook with green beans. Prepare 1 pound of green beans. Rinse them with tap water and snip off the top ends. The green beans I used this time is pretty large, about 4 or 5 inches, so I snip them in half into bite-sized pieces. Here we are going to make a very simple sauce with 2 tablespoons Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Prepare 3 cloves garlic. Cut off the top end and discard them. And then mince them into small pieces. And here is my favorite way to mince garlics. Transfer the minced garlic into a small bowl. And then we're going to prepare some ginger. To peel the ginger, you can simply use your knife or you can use a sharp spoon, and then slice them into thin pieces, and then further cut them into slices. And then mince them finely. Here you can transfer the ginger into the bowl with the minced garlic. Transfer 3 tablespoons Sui Mi Ya Cai into a small bowl. It is a unique Sichuan ingredient that gave your dish a deep umami. Now let's start cooking by heating 2 tablespoons oil into a large pan. When your pan is hot, add all the green beans. Stir the green beans with your spatula so they are evenly coated with the oil. So I heated up the pan using high heat, but once the pan is hot, you can turn the heat into medium or medium-low. You only need to stir the green beans occasionally. You want to slowly roast them so they develop a beautiful brown char. And during the cooking process, you will find that some of the beans are cooking faster. You can remove these cooked beans into a big bowl. And then keep roasting the rest of the beans until they are evenly cooked and browned. And then transfer all the beans into the bowl. The whole cooking process can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And then heat another tablespoon of oil. And then add a teaspoon whole Sichuan peppercorn. The purpose is to infuse the oil with a nice aroma. Once the Szechuan peppercorns turn into dark brown, remove them into a small bowl. Now we are going to cook some ground meat. The traditional Chinese recipe uses ground pork. Here I use ground beef. To make this dish vegan, you can use chopped mushroom as well. Add a pinch of salt. Let the ground meat to cook until the bottom is browned, and then flip them and cook the other side and then chop them into smaller chunks. Now add the Sui Mi Ya Cai. It is optional, but I highly recommend it. Add 3 dried chili pepper. And add back the garlic and ginger. Stir everything together to give the pork a nice aroma. Don't worry, the dried chili pepper doesn't really add spiciness to the dish. On the other hand, if you want the dish to taste spicy, snip the chili pepper into half and add them to the pan with the seeds. Now add back all the cooked green beans into the pan and stir everything together. Add the mixed sauce we made earlier. Stir everything together to let the pork and the green beans soak up the sauce. Now you can taste green beans and add a pinch of more salt if the dish is not salty enough, and stir everything together again. Now a plate of rich, delicious Sichuan dry-fried green beans are ready. You can serve them as a side dish, but most of the time I serve them as a main dish over my steamed mixed green rice. It's so simple and tasty. I hope you'll enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. This is Maggie from Omnivore's Cookbook. You can print the recipe by clicking the link on the upper corner of the screen. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to learn more about Chinese cooking. See you next time.